Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing a repository that teams can use immediately. Create or clone a repo, add a focused README, git ignore, and a license. Once done, enforce branch protection on main and create feature branches for active work. Make sure continuous integration is configured and add code owners to route reviews. Next, store deployment credentials as secrets and enable webhooks for CI notifications. This prevents manual credential leaks and keeps pipelines running automatically. You'll now execute the development flow. Check out a feature branch and make small, atomic commits with descriptive messages so history is useful. Once a logical chunk is ready, open a pull request and assign reviewers. Reference the issue number to connect work. Make sure CI runs on each push, fix failing checks locally, and resolve merge conflicts by rebasing or merging per team policy. Keep PRs focused and iterate on feedback quickly, so integration stays smooth and predictable. To finish, merge the approved pull request into main using your chosen merge strategy. Preserve history or fast forward as agreed. Once merged, the CI/CD pipeline should auto-deploy to staging, verify functionality, and then promote to production. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Inspect CI logs first, then confirm secrets and environment variables. Roll back or create a hotfix branch immediately when needed. Finally, document the incident in the issue tracker and update tests to prevent recurrence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.